First-time home buyers have one thing in common. They almost always buy a bigger house. But what that means is at some point they're going to be first-time home sellers. If this is you, stick around. You'll sleep better. Trust me. Before you go spending that massive windfall you're imagining from the sale of your house, there's a process that you have to go through. And it usually looks something like this. They offered how much?
They lowballed you.
How much? They want me to fix what?
The roof.
Termites.
Yeah,
I've got termites.
you do.
They want the washer and dryer.
That's what they asked for.
No. Nope. No way. Believe it or not, being a first-time home seller can be more stressful than being a first-time home buyer. If you're familiar with Reddit, I watch a few subreddits on real estate, and hands down the most common question on there is, my house won't sell, what's the problem? Let me show you where that comes from. Deep in the American landscape, I'm observing the first-time home seller in his natural habitat. So the numbers you're showing me here are what homes that are kind of like mine are selling for in the neighborhood, right? That's right. Well, based on comps, your home should sell somewhere in the 450 range. What are you thinking? I have to have 600,000 to do what I need to do. And why do you think it's worth 600? Well, first off, my lot is way bigger. These other houses are 1.7, mine's 2.0. My backyard is flat and it's big. You could put a pool back there if you wanted. I've got gutter guards. That's worth a ton. And I've got carpet in the master bathroom. I mean, feels so good on my feet. Tell you what, I'd like to think about this. I'll give you a call, okay? 450,000. That guy's an idiot. What a dick. Hey, Trudy.
What?
Do we got any poster board and magic markers?
Check in the kids' room.
I'm gonna make a sign. Believe it or not, whose post do you think I saw on Reddit 3 weeks later? Price it right. You get one chance to make a first impression, especially when you're selling a house. What? If you price your home correctly, meaning fair and reasonable within the neighborhood, and make the inside nice and neat and move-in ready, you're gonna have a pretty easy time of it. Your home's gonna sell. There is one other thing to avoid though. Wow. Don't go in there.